Your PC is only as cool as the fans moving air through it, and in 2026, the case fan market has genuinely never been better. From a budget ARGB option that daisy chains, to your entire build with one cable all the way up to the highest performing 120mm fan ever independently benchmarked. Today we are ranking the 5 best PC case fans you can buy right now. Let's get into it. This is the second generation successor to the original NF-A12x25, which was already considered one of the best 120mm fans ever made. 7 years of refinement later, Noctua has produced something genuinely better across every measurable metric. The G2 uses a Sterox liquid crystal polymer impeller with a progressive bend design, centrifugal turbulator hub, flow acceleration channels, and winglets, all working together to improve airflow efficiency and reduce turbulence. The tip clearance is just 0.5 millimeters, the tightest of any consumer 120mm fan available, which directly reduces the gap where air escapes rather than moving through the build. The result is a fan that, in independent RPM normalized noise testing, outperformed every 120mm fan tested at 1,200, 800, and even 450 RPM, speeds that represent realistic daily usage on a sensible BIOS fan curve. The EtaPerf motor with super torque maintains target speed even when working against back pressure in push-pull radiator configurations, where lesser fans lose meaningful performance under load. Maximum speed is 1,800 revolutions per minute at 22.5 decibels. Not the loudest fan, but one of the most efficient, delivering airflow at the noise level that most of the competition cannot match. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Arctic redesigned the P12 lineup from the ground up for the Pro generation. Where the original P12 used 5 blades, the P12 Pro switches to 7, a design change that significantly alters the acoustic character of the fan. The 5-blade design produced a more booming, tonal sound at lower frequencies. The 7-blade design distributes that noise more evenly, resulting in a fan that sounds genuinely quieter at equivalent speeds, even though the raw dBA numbers are comparable. The new aerodynamic geometry delivers higher airflow per unit of noise than the previous generation, a real and measurable improvement. The PST variant, power sharing technology, includes dual connectors that allow you to daisy chain multiple fans to a single motherboard PWM header. No fan hub required. Connect up to 5 fans in series from one header and control them all simultaneously. PWM control runs from 600 to 3,000 revolutions per minute with 0 revolutions per minute stop mode at very low temperatures, and that is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. The P12 Pro A-RGB uses an identical 7-blade aerodynamic design to the standard P12 Pro PST, delivering the same class-leading airflow per noise performance. The difference here is the impeller material. The ARGB variant uses a light conductive material that allows the 12 ARGB LEDs in the hub to illuminate the blades themselves rather than just the hub ring. The result is a vivid, deep illumination that reviewers described as intense and vibrant compared to most competing ARGB fans at this price point. The lighting intensity is one of the best you will see from any budget ARGB fan. The fan includes both in and out 3-pin ARGB connectors alongside the 4-pin PWM connector, enabling daisy chain control of power and lighting simultaneously. Compatible with Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, ASRock Polychrome, RGB, and Gigabyte RGB Fusion. No proprietary hub required for standard ARGB motherboard control. The speed range matches the non-RGB variant at 600 to 3,000 revolutions per minute with strong static pressure figures suitable for both case airflow and radiator applications. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. The T30-120 does something none of the 25mm thick fans on this list can do. It adds 5mm of depth to both the frame and the rotor itself. That extra 5mm is not just space, it is room for wider, deeper blades with more surface area and a more powerful motor. The T30-120 uses LCP liquid crystal polymer for both the blades and the frame. the same material Noctua uses for their top-tier fans, combined with Sunon's magnetic levitation bearing, which Phanteks developed together with Sunon over multiple years. The result is a bearing that produces less audible noise, less friction, and greater longevity than conventional ball or sleeve bearings. MTTF is rated at 150,000 hours. 3 built-in performance modes via a physical switch on the fan body give you full control without needing software. Hybrid mode is whisper quiet for everyday use. Performance mode runs up to 2,000 revolutions per minute and 67 cubic feet per minute. Advanced mode pushes the fan to 3,000 revolutions per minute and 101 cubic feet per minute, one of the highest airflow figures of any 120mm fan available. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. The RS120-R's defining feature is the reversed rotor. Standard fans mount with the hub visible on the intake side and the label facing out. When used as intake fans, where the air-facing side of the fan is typically hidden inside the case, the hub and impeller are the first thing you see from outside the panel. The RS120-R solves this by reversing the rotor direction, which means the clean LED illuminated face of the fan is visible as an intake. 8 ARGB LEDs per fan illuminate the hub and blades with vibrant, controllable color that syncs with ASUS AuraSync, MSI, Mystic Light, ASRock Polychrome, RGB, and Gigabyte RGB Fusion, directly from the motherboard without any Corsair hub required. The magnetic dome bearing minimizes friction and mechanical noise with a 150,000-hour MTTF rating. Performance specs hit 2,100 RPM maximum, 65.82 cubic feet per minute airflow for the reverse model, and 4.15 millimeters of water of static pressure. Solid numbers for both case airflow and light radiator duty. Daisy chain, PWM, and ARGB connectors let you chain multiple fans together with a single cable run to the motherboard. That is link 5 in the description. The last one. Tap it now. All 5 links are in the description, numbered in exactly this order. Drop a comment below. What fans are you running in your build? I read every single one. I will catch you in the next one.